Hi, welcome back, Body Doubling friends. This is Quest Body Doubling with Tara Lewis Smith. And as you can see, things have escalated exponentially in the last day or so. Yesterday was day 18 with spring cleaning on the spectrum. And today we're on day 19 because now I've gotten everything out that I need to clear out of was once behind this wall was once my guest bedroom. So now we're in the AKA art room that I talked about. So I'm literally going to set the timer for 15 minutes, and this is going to be like a true body doubling, like if we were just working in silence. I do have helpers, and so I will probably just put on some cool music, and we will just go from there. So we are going to go for 15 minutes. I do have my phone. So we are going for 15 minutes starting now. Okay. I do have oh, this over there actually. I do have some sort of system, like things just got piled up on here, so we're gonna watch this go down. But I do have, if you remember last year, I did do all of this last year, and this has helped exponentially. So having a category, because now I already know where to put stuff. And then I also have this from yesterday, remember this? And I'm trying to reorganize this to make that look a little bit better. So one of the things though that I did want to go over real quick, I know we started the 15 minutes, but I have this entire bag, look. Okay, this is how big the bag is. Okay, it's a Christmas bag. This entire bag is full of ribbons, and it just, whatever is in me that wants to keep bags, ribbons, whatever. But like, it kills me to just throw this stuff away. But really, am I actually going to do any arts and crafts with these? Like, look at this. Look at how cute that ribbon is. Look at that. And this one, perfectly good. Perfectly good. But I'm never going to use it. I probably have had all three of these ribbons. I've probably had for a couple years now. At least since last Christmas. But this one's probably been a couple years old. I'm not going to lie. So we're just going to toss it. Okay? Because we cannot keep everything. And it's really hard. Okay, so here's my garbage bag. I totally forgot to do the intro. Hold on one second. Yes.
Oh no, I was just giving you a thumbs up.
Oh yes, my assistant over here, Riley, is giving me a thumbs up because I threw something away. And one of my kids also, I donated something earlier today, and one of my kids was very proud of me for donating. So, but it's hard. It's hard to let go of stuff. Like, it's just, I always think I'm going to use it later, and in reality, I'm not. I'm not going to use it later unless I have a specific plan for it. I'm going to donate it if it's donatable. Or I'm just going to toss it, if it's garbage. So, okay, I am going to take off. I'm going to get rid of the gold ribbon, but I am going to keep the tulle because tulle is expensive. If you know, you know. We're going to reuse the tulle, that's for sure. So, and I can untie this and reuse it and I do have a tulle. And I know I will reuse the tulle because I love tulle to wrap gifts. So, me and Santa go to town on the tulle. Okay.
How many of these tools?
Theoretically, I was gonna make I think I need thicker ones because those are I ordered them offline, and so theoretically we can use them outside, and the boys can either hit them with each other or they can use them in the pool this summer.
So I feel like your place for it might be the shed.
Yes, yeah, we can put them in the shed.
Oh my God.
100% put them in the shed. So, just in case, because I did not do the intro because we're literally mid doing this, but I'm like, I need to record at least some of this madness or whatever, this chaotic, organized chaos, I guess we will call it. But you most definitely need your bins. You need a bin that's for stuff that's going to go in a different location. You need a bin for stuff that you're going to keep. You need a bin for stuff that you're going to give away. And you need a bin for stuff that is trash, just straight up trash. And then you need a bin for stuff that that you're possibly gonna. I tied these all together. I might need to, you might need a maybe one. Do we have any scissors?
No, I do. There's gonna be a pair of scissors in this pile. We're gonna find it later.
It's gotta be a pair of scissors in this pile. Yeah. I want to keep the tool, but I tied each of these individuals around the tool.
Oh. Yeah, I don't think that's happening.
Yeah.
I think,
should we just toss?
I think it's just.
Okay, we're gonna just toss that because that's why I have my assistant here today to help me
There we
toss,
go. Yeah.
toss stuff. Okay, I mean, I'm gonna keep this ribbon though.
Okay.
Okay, we
Yes.
can toss that.
Okay. Okay.
Toss
Cool.
it. I was gonna make pine cone or spruce wreaths and sell them online.
Yeah. Yeah. Me and my dad used to do that.
I never made it to the part of actually selling them.
Okay, I get it.
So, I probably should work on that again.
Yeah. There's a miscellaneous Christmas bag right here too.
Oh, okay, that's probably full of ribbon and that kind of stuff. Okay. Alright. Okay, we're keeping this ribbon though, but I do have, you can't really see it, it's up here. Right there, that one right there is my ribbon one. So I am gonna, and that's what I did last year, if you wanna find, I think it's the art room. Oh, you know what, never mind. I shouldn't say that on this one, that is in my membership site. But I did do this whole entire art room last summer. And guess what, it's been almost a year, and it's time to do it again. It's time to organize again. I would love to tell you that you can just, you just organize once. You just, you get your whole life together and you put everything in cute little containers and then it just stays that way. 100% is, it doesn't. You literally have to keep it up or you're never ever going to, it just never gets done. It doesn't. Like, you will always be organizing, decluttering, unfortunately we always just keep buying stuff that we probably don't need. I mean, I think especially if you're a crab, you definitely have that mentality, I'm going to use it later. And I definitely have that in me. So, but there's times and places where, it's also time to just get rid of stuff. Okay. And I just lost my glasses, so we're fine. Okay. We're gonna put my glasses. Okay. Put my glasses here. Alright, so we have, I'm just gonna put that there because we have all of that. So I just got rid of more ribbons. Okay, these ribbons going in here. I did it. I'm so proud of myself.
I'm proud of you too.
And then all of these can probably be, oh no, I was going to keep this. Okay, but all of these can be tossed as well, and we can use that for something else.
Okay, cool. Okay, we'll
So
keep the basket though?
Yeah, I'm keeping this, keep the basket,
Keep the basket.
but I'm keeping this, and these ribbons go up there. We can organize it so it fits a little bit better.
Okay, this
And
box has
then-
something in it. Do you need it?
Why do we keep baskets and bags? This goes to the brooch that Ben got me.
Do you have the brooch?
Yeah, it's on my jean jacket.
Oh, so it's somewhere. Do we need the box?
No.
Good job.
Oh my God, we don't need the box. Oh, it's hard for me too. Okay, yes.
I'm gonna put that on the fridge. Yeah.
Yeah.
I got it.
Oh no,
Okay,
no,
that's right.
no, not on the fridge, but hide it like in the photo album or
Okay,
something.
I
I'll
will.
do it later.
I just found a photo album of this.
Okay, that's good. Yeah. Pictures of ex-girlfriends that we both love. Like, we both love the ex-girlfriend stuff, but that's fine. All right, here we go. Moving on. Okay, so I have this box. Look at that, lovely decor. So yeah, we're gonna put these over here. I do want to keep all of this. Okay, so we will have, in the next video, I will have this cleared off so I can get to those. So I guess that will be day 20. Alright. So I already figured out where I was gonna put these. I want to keep these ornaments, not the one. Okay. Keeping these. I'm gonna put these over here. Oh my gosh. Really gonna hurt myself. Okay. And once again, I don't know if you can see this or not, but I'll go over and I will do I'll do a full thing. So I just use one of the, like at any thrift store, whether it works or not. Well, I shouldn't say any thrift store, but But at my thrift store, we always have, there's always those those glass drink canisters or whatever. The ones that you use at parties and stuff, the crafts or whatever, like whether they work or not, because 99% of the time I guarantee they're given away is because they start leaking. So number one, to fix it, it's a quick, easy, cheap fix, is you can just replace the nozzle with the washers, or just replace the nozzle and the washers entirely for like less than $10, and then you fix it, you fix the leak. But if you cannot, if there's like a crack in it, just like at the bottom, like a hairline crack or whatever, use Flex Spray on it and use it to decorate with Christmas ornaments. It's the easiest, cheapest way to decorate, I think, to put stuff, one, to hold stuff, to have a nice container instead of a plastic bin. You can have a glass canister for like, and the thrift store I go to, like literally, I have noticed prices have started going slightly up, but for the most part, you can get it probably less than $10, especially if you can see a crack in it. But you can always fix the crack and then use it for to store something else besides the drink. So that's what you can do. Alright, okay, I made this.
Yes.
Okay.
Really? What are you doing?
Oh my God, Lily.
Okay.
Okay, Kale, here's a Christmas ornament, Kale. We need that. Oh, we need to go out. Please, somebody out. Is Nana out there? So.
There he goes. What are the purpose of these bowls?
Okay, so those actually have a purpose. I have everything, but I couldn't find everything, of course. There's a large ornaments that you glue them together and then you put the twinkly lights inside of them. So I have all of that, like right here.
Okay.
So I do want to keep those.
Okay, do you want to put like that bowl like in these bowls just to consolidate it?
Yes.
There we go.
There we go.
Oh, lovely.
And then, I don't know. There we go. Look at that. Look at how organized that is.
I know, right? Okay.
Okay.
I will roll up all those orders real quick.
Okay, yes, that'd be awesome. Okay, so then my thing, okay, so these are lights.
Do they work?
No, they don't work, but these are lights that we have this month.
Yes.
And so my thing is I have, like, what I want to do with these ornaments,
Just put it upstairs.
and like these ornaments, is cut these and put the lights in here.
Yes.
And then that way we have them and say that they were, complicated.
Okay, so then what's happening with the light ball? You think we can get some garbage out of here and put the light ball in there? In that bucket right there?
That's crochet yarn.
Okay. Oh, no, in here. Because it's a lot of, like, bubble wrap and, like... Okay.
Okay, so all of that box is we had this brilliant idea that it's science experiments for kids, right? And they sent them once a month, right? It was like a membership thing.
I forgot that too.
Oh my God, those were so freaking hard. Yeah, you had to wait. Like you had to wait 20 minutes, an hour. Like really, you're gonna get your ADHD kid to come back?
Dude, me and my dad absolutely slayed those because we were hyperfixated on them. We had so many.
The few were pretty fun, but then
Yeah.
we had a coaster
Dude,
one,
we had potato
and
robots.
it kicked our ass.
Yeah, I think we lost the interest after the roll. I'm like, this is gonna be such a fun activity for me and the boys.
Yeah.
And we're like, why is this so hard?
Yeah. No, dude, it was easy for us because my dad was a genius, so he like always knew how to do things. And
Clearly that was the missing key because I am not.
Oh yeah, my dad was supposed to be an engineer, and then he realized engineers didn't make money. So he's
It depends on where you go.
well, yeah, but it was like a whole process. So we ended up working for a warehouse, and it was being awesome. Like,
Yeah.
like
Well, that's good. Yes. Well, because Thomas was IT, and he was, 5 years ago he made treatment.
yeah.
Okay, so we have all of these. Okay, we probably can get rid of this. Okay, go put this with Nana's stuff, I guess. I don't know. I mean,
Okay, choose 5 that you totally want, and I will go put them in Nana's closet.
orange to sparkle.
Love it.
Okay, we need that.
Okay.
Okay, these are all still good. Like, these aren't.
There's a lot of those in there though, so just keep that in mind. Like we have bags upon bags.
That are still good.
Yes. It's just one of those things in life that piles up.
It is. It's 100%.
What about
Holy-
the big bag? Because we need a bag to hold the bag.
Yeah. Photo kit.
Long photo tip.
It's brand new. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was literally the fastest 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes are up. So we're definitely, day 20 is going to be the same thing, and I'm just going to roll it over.
Yeah.
So so if you want to take a break, make sure you go get a drink of water. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And please come back and stay for day 20 because we will be right back.